Hello, I've come on today to share my start of an art journal. So I picked up this in a little independent shop in Newmarket, which is not very far away from where I live, because I knew that I wanted to make an electric ink designs art journal. So electric ink designs are digital stamps designed by Carly Duff. And if you go to the Electric Ink Designs Facebook page, you can find out all the information there. And my first image that I've used is Jessica. And she comes with a background. So part of the background is this building here and the tree. But what I've done is I've extended that and done some watercolouring. Am I happy with it? I'm quite happy with it. Yeah, the tree maybe is a bit unnatural looking because it's a bit round, but apart from that, yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I like the colours, and it has turned out quite well, to be honest, because obviously that's cut down there, the image. So this is all my own work, and it's a great quality paper as well for this book. The only thing I would say that is I won't be using alcohol markers directly onto the page again, because that does bleed through. But what I can do is also just stick two pages together to avoid that being seen if I want to use those again. This is another image that I haven't yet done anything with, and this is the second image. Again, it's Jessica, so I might be slightly obsessed with this image, but the look I wanted to go for on this one is so it's like when you used to get black and white TV and then you get like the tracking would go on it. So I'm just making myself sound really old now, but yeah, and I saw a page on Facebook, and it just like pinged up in my feed and then it was gone. And then I sort of tried to look for it on Pinterest or look for things like that, and every time I put black and white colouring page, it just brought up a colouring page, because obviously they are black and white before you colour them. So yeah, didn't manage to find it, so I sort of just held that image in my head and then tried to work from there. And I have to say, I'm quite pleased with how it turned out. I've also used some Amala stamps, which again are from Carly Duff, and that is the movie star ones, because I thought it went with the image of me trying to make this look like a clip from TV. And this is some new washi tape. Now, I'm not sure if I will have shared that video by now, but if I haven't, it is what I picked up from the works. So it's this film strip here, and I thought that worked really well with that, especially as you have the stamp that's very similar to that as well. And yeah, I'm quite pleased with how that turned out. This was actually a second attempt at this page, because when I originally did it, I actually had a grey background, but then everything just got lost and I did not like it at all. So I tore that page out and yeah, did it again. And that is all I've done so far in that journal. I'll obviously be sharing more as I do more images, and I also try and use other images because there are other ones. I've just got a bit obsessed with Jessica. I think it might be her style maybe that I like. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a thumbs up and a comment. I love to read them. If you haven't subscribed already, I'd love you to consider doing so. And until next time, cheerio.